हेलो एवरीवन मु शरद प्रधान आज पुणी गोटे नुआ सब्जेक्ट आनी 20 इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन जहाँकि अपकमिंग ओटीपीएस नर्सिंग ऑफिसर एग्जामिनेशन रे हेल्पफुल हो पार। आज प्रथम क्वेश्चन टी होची एंजाइम व्हिच हेल्प इन डाइजेशन ऑफ फैट इज एंजाइम व्हिच हेल्प इन डाइजेशन ऑफ फैट। ऑप्शन ए ट्रिप्सिन, ऑप्शन बी एमिलेज, ऑप्शन सी काइनेज, ऑप्शन डी लिपेज। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी लिपेज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन disease kwashiorkor is caused due to deficiency of disease kwashiorkor is caused due to deficiency of option A protein, option B fat, option C vitamin, option D carbohydrate। correct answer is option A protein। next question daily requirement of calcium during pregnancy is daily requirement of calcium during pregnancy is option A 500 mg, option B 300 mg, option C 400 mg, option D 1000 mg। correct answer is option D 1000 mg। next question ascorbic acid is A ascorbic acid is A option A fat, option B protein, option C vitamin, option D calcium। correct answer is option C vitamin। next question best test of detection of iron deficiency in community is best test of detection of iron deficiency in community is option A serum iron, option B hemoglobin, option C serum ferritin, option D iron test। correct answer is option C serum ferritin। next question saturated fatty acid are all except saturated fatty acid are all except option A oleic, option B lauric, option C palmitic, option D stearic। correct answer is option A oleic। next question diarrhea, dermatitis and depressions are symptoms of diarrhea, dermatitis and depressions are symptoms of option A gingivitis, option B marasmus, option C kwashiorkor, option D pellagra। correct answer is option D pellagra। next question pernicious anemia occurs due to deficiency of pernicious anemia occurs due to deficiency of option A vitamin A, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin D, option D vitamin B12। correct answer is option D vitamin B12। next question which of the following vitamin is soluble in water which of the following vitamin is soluble in water option A vitamin A, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin D, option D vitamin K। correct answer is option B vitamin C। next question all the macronutrients except option A protein, option B carbohydrates, option C fat, option D vitamin। correct answer is option D vitamin। next question deficiency of vitamin C causes option A beriberi, option B marasmus, option C scurvy, option D meningitis। correct answer is option C scurvy। next question the disease which is characterized by 3D is the disease which is characterized by 3D is option A scurvy, option B beriberi, option C marasmus, option D pellagra। correct answer is option D pellagra। Next question. Vitamin B12 is also known as. Vitamin B12 is also known as option A thiamine, option B iron, option C biotin, option D cyanocobalamin. Correct answer is option D cyanocobalamin. Next question. Government of India adopted National Nutritional Policy in. Government of India adopted the National Nutritional Policy in option A 1993, option B 1996, option C 1963, option D 1994. Correct answer is option A 1993. Next question. How much present of fluid is found in an infant body? How much present of fluid is found in an infant body? Option A 30%, option B 75%, option C 95%, option D 80%. Correct answer is option D 80%. Next question. The average total water loss from the body daily is. The average total water loss from the body daily is option A 2000 ml, option B 4000 ml, option C 2400, option D 1000 ml. Correct answer is option C 2400 ml. Next question. Out of total body water, the intercellular fluid content. Out of total body water, the intercellular fluid contains option A 40%, option B 50%, option C 30%, option D 70%. Correct answer is option D 70%. Next question. Vitamin B12 is not found in. Vitamin B12 is not found in option A egg, option B soybean, option C milk, option D meat. Correct answer is option B soybean. Next question. Cholesterol is a option A fatty acid plus amino acid, option B steroid, option C sterols, option D phospholipid. Correct answer is option B steroid. Last question is iron is mostly absorbed from. Iron is mostly absorbed from option A large intestine, option B stomach, option C liver, option D small intestine. Correct answer is option D small intestine. Thank you all. Next session से पुणी नुआ नुआ क्वेश्चन गुड़िक नहीं आसवा.